Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out.
What? An alligator. In the water. Lift it up.
To the radio. We're gonna make it someday. Nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where
That's a fake one. That is a fake one.
It's not a fake one, it's real.
Then why is it?
It's pretending it's fake so you don't touch it.
I'm gonna quit my job. Never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out.
How do you guys get there?
Oh my gosh, this is the smell of elevators from my childhood.
Yeah.
Why have they changed it? What is it?
That's the smell of BO mixed with wood bowl.
Ooh, that does not taste very good.
This will fit in your purse.
We're ready to protect our country.
You gonna shoot? He's trying to shoot with it backwards. It's a video.
We'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night.
when you have a bunch of gluten-free kits and no gluten-free cones at the ice cream place. Wow, Bethany. That's a lot of ice cream on it. You might have to give him 2 cones each. Toby, what did you get?
A cherry shake.
Oh. What is that, Ed?
Turtle split. It's caramel, pecans, cherry, and vanilla ice cream. That is yours, Adri. That was darn good.
Whoa. That's a small. What the heck? Imagine if that was a large. That's a small. Whoa. I know. It's dripping everywhere. How's it, Tobes? Good? I think this is hot fudge in the middle.
Thank you so much.
Wow.
Is it good?
That's a lot of flavor at once. Dang. Wow.
This is yummy.
Yeah, that's hot fudge in the middle.
Hot fudge in the middle.
Hot fudge dead center.
Nice.
With, I think, brownie and cookie dough. I won't need any more sugar for a month after this. It's insane.
It's getting all over this.
It's melting all over you, buddy.
Eat it, buddy. Faster.
Just lick it fast.
Stick it in. Boom.
There you go. Daddy saved it for you.
Now you can just eat your cone.
Bethany, she saved hers somehow.
Come over here and eat.
Wow. Is that good, Emily? How is it, Alex?
Good.
How's it, Rebecca?
Just eat that
Good. Yeah, he doesn't realize he can eat it. He's just drinking out of it. Levi, you can eat that, you know. It's not just a cup. Look at him.
Whoa, what happened to you?
He doesn't realize he can eat it. There.
Our tent is like luxury suite, air conditioned. I'd rather be in there right now than out here. Apparently the raccoons were getting into the oatmeal pot. Our neighbors, 10:30 last night, scared off the raccoons. He's like, who's cooking at this time? And he heard our pots and pans rattling at 10:30. They shine their flashlight. Raccoons ran away. We were already sleeping. But we left oatmeal in the pot today. A little bit of little midnight snack. Sabrina, you're gonna dish out the mac and cheese.